guys, today we're gonna unbox a new Sushi Blind Bag. I worked so hard with this, and now it's time to scissors. Please, I hope it works. Because of this side. Yeah, you're right. That side. Uncommon. Ooh, rare. This one. Let's see what's inside. I hope it. Let's see. It's Furby. There's the other Furby. Oh my god, it's so hard to open with all these scissors. They're like, oh my god, it's so annoying. Why there's a... Oh my god. There are more for... Oh no, the ice got ruined. Never mind, you don't mind. The other Furby. And oh my god. Then the other Furby. Oh no, just sorry, got mashed. Next up is the rare. Wait, I'll just open it more. Why is it so hard to tell why it's so hard? Oh my god, why? So hard. Guess it will, let's just unlock it. Oh my god. Why? Oh. It's a little squishy. Now let's go with the other contents. Just get away the mushiness. We're not there. Just say wrong. Next up, we got... Ooh, epic and... This is epic and common. Yeah. Let's start with the biggest. It's common. I don't know what I get. It's a birthday bash. No, I just need to fully open it. What is that? Sorry for the marks. It was like the one when I made the item. I'm just trying to get... I'm having a hard time. Ooh, it's mint chocolate ice cream. Let's put this bag away, and now let's start with epic. Oh my god. Why? Bruh. How do you? Yeah, every time I unbox this, it's always glitter. Let's see what's in it. Why is it so hard? Oh, how am I gonna get the whole thing? I'm sorry. Don't mind about me. It's because I just don't wanna. But what the? What in the world is going on with it? Okay. Oh, that's why. Oh my god. Maybe I have named the wrong one. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a plate! Sushi plate! There we go. Bye guys!